grassroots revolution that ousted Gaddafi and then went knocking on France's door. It was an artificial movement created, funded, and armed by Western capital with the explicit goal of overthrowing the political and social system which gave Libya the highest living standards in Africa for the sole purpose of privatizing Libyan natural resources for the profits of a select few. He goes on to deliver a very US high school overview of nearly 30 years of Chinese history in 15 seconds, moves on to discussing the implementation gap between the stated goals of the revolution and what the revolution is actually capable of delivering, based on manpower, infrastructure, etc., basically more world building, and then seems to think post-revolution societies build using tax money, for some reason. And then, finally, says this.
This is also why there's a tendency for revolutions to devolve into dictatorships rather than democracies. Democracies are complicated systems. They require a